Let's see if it starts my stream now. Alright, let me check ES here. And look. Alright, so ES, we got this low. I mean, guys, we can honestly look to take longs here. Well, let me open this. Could be open to taking longs off this for rally gap here. So if we're able to reject here. Oh, I'm on the 1 minute. Why does it look so weird on ES? ES is holding above the liquidity right now. Basically have around the same gap on ES. Let's see. I mean, if we're able to take out... the thing is, dude, like, if we go down here and then go back up to buy up 160 points. But, I mean, if we do sell off, take out these lows and then come back up, it would be, I guess, really good confirmation. You know? Hey, let's see. Yo, you don't have the 5 minute marked at 686. 686? This? I haven't marked out, bro. I have the fair value marked out. That's from yesterday. Okay, 867 is inverse. Okay, we're getting that buying pressure, guys, so get ready to enter here. Now we flip back to red. Alright. Yeah, we don't have news today, guys. Besides FOMC minutes at 2, so... let's see, I guess we're gonna start selling off a bit. I mean, this is a little better for us, I guess. We sell off, take out these lows, and then come back up. Yeah, I mean, we can't really enter shorts at all until maybe, like, here. Which would be, like, 100 points. 257 points sell off, so... let's hope we get a reversal today. So it looks like we're getting some buying pressure. This is good because this kind of let ES be a little ahead, and it's honestly bad that ES is a little ahead. So we inverse the gap first on ES. Yeah, Twinkie, the London's been taken out already. The London was here. And we also took out this liquidity here. Oy. Alright, let's see if I'm finally live on YouTube. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I am live. Okay. I was gonna say OBS is so freaking annoying, man. This would not go live. But yeah, I am. I am live. Okay, perfect. I'm surprised we really haven't gone anywhere yet. Thought you would have dumped or pumped already. Okay, looks like we're getting some buying here, finally. Alright guys, get ready to enter. We're getting a bit of buying pressure. Come on, buyers. Step in. I don't know why it's not showing that I'm live on Discord. But whatever. What's up, Twinkie? 872 is inverse. No, it's not. It's 867. This isn't a fair value yet. This is a 15-minute that I have marked out. It's not the 5-minute. Yeah, ES is okay. ES just touched the fair value gap now. I hope NQ is able to pick up here. Okay. Okay, we're getting some buying, guys. Yeah, ES just inverse the gap. I don't know why NQ is like struggling like this. Well, I wouldn't say struggling. It's just not as like strong as ES. Alright, guys. Hover your mouse over the buy button. We're getting some buying pressure here. Hopefully we're able to continue it. I mean, I don't see why we won't. Yep, get ready, guys. We're getting some buying right now. Alright, we're about to get the inverse now, guys. Alright, just got the inverse now. Let's see if we can hold above it. Oh my gosh, what the heck is that? The heck was that pullback? Okay, it's good that we got the pullback now, though. So, you know, we should be able to pump back up here, and then we just go all the way up. Oh my gosh. This is why we always wait for the hold, guys. We would have gone stopped out there. Alright, guys. I'm in longs. No. Copy. No. 870.00. like an ES here. Alright. Kind of want to put my stop loss at this low. $8.23. Pump back up here. Oof. Yep. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Wow, I got filled super late, bro. What? Bro, it filled my stop loss at 8.15. I had it at 8.23, bro. That's fucking insane slippage. Bro. An extra fucking 8 points, dude. Of course, bro. Dude, how the fuck does it slip that much? Fuck, bro. I'm not even mad I got stopped out. I just, dude, the fucking slippage. Like, what the fuck is that? Yeah, it is what it is. Maybe we could work with a re-entry, guys. And if we pump back up, just like, bro. I don't understand why we didn't just pump all the way up. It's fucking massive 87-point candle. That fucking sucks. Looks like we're pumping back up. Do I want to take a re-entry? I mean, honestly, I just have to. Look how much buying we're getting, bro. I just gotta see. We're pumping back up on ESN and Q here, so I just don't understand why we sold off like this. But I mean, we are buying back up, so see what we can work with. Look at this buying that we're getting. Come on, guys. I'm not in longs yet. All right, I'm gonna try longs one more time, guys. Yeah, a lot of buying pressure here. This is really good, really good. Beautiful push we're getting here, guys. Oh my gosh. I haven't taken any trims, guys. I'm holding for a little higher just to get most of my loss back. You know. Let me look at ES. Okay, ES is doing literally the same thing. About to hit the first PT at 921 here, guys. Alright, we just hit it. $930. Okay, $930. I'm gonna take some trims. it's like, let me see. I entered it. My entry's at 872. Yeah, around like 8:30. I'll take some. I'll take 6 of my or 5 of my 6 contracts out. Alright, I took my trims. I'm holding last runner. For London High here at 8962. Beautiful push we're having here, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. 962 is gonna be my PT, guys. Alright. I decided to get out because of that little pullback we had, but pretty up for the day. Flip that from red to green, guys. Let's fucking go. W trade. Yeah, I wanted us to go straight into it, but I saw like we had a little pullback, so I'm like, fuck that. I'm just gonna manually get out. Yeah, Twinkie, I re-entered. Beautiful trade today, guys. Let's go. You know, obviously first entry wasn't the best, but you know, God bless, guys, and we got that beautiful re-entry. So whew. I was a little tilted, bro. Bro, like I can't lie, I was a little tilted when my stop loss got slippage, bro. I was like, there's no way it just did that. Oh, I forgot. How many points are we up? About to hit the PT. Bro, why is Steam open? Like, what? I just hit the PT so I can do the damn alert. There you go, beautiful. We just hit it now. Boom. Alright, last PT is going to be at 995, guys. If you are still holding, you know, make sure, obviously, you put your stop loss to, you should be looking to put your stop loss to break even. Or at least trail your stop loss and profits. I'm completely out already. I'm happy with my profits. I was able to flip my loss back to green, so. Not that big of a win today, but hey, a win is a win, guys. Like, honestly, better than being down $550 per account. I'm up around 216 per account now, so can't complain. I cannot complain. You entered with 80, filled you twice. Yo. Oh, you entered with 40. You mean you entered with 40 and you accidentally clicked it twice? Got an eval, yeah. I mean, bro, 40 contracts, you only need like 38 points to pass your account. You start with like 50,000 50,000 account. You entered with 80. I took out 40. Are you still holding? I mean, I think we could still hit. I think we hit this PT. I'm not gonna lie. We're pumping you. It stopped you out. Oh, because probably drawdown. Probably stopped you out because of drawdown. If I had to guess. We're about to hit the full PT here, guys. Yeah, we just hit it right now. Let's go, guys. We're still pumping here. Yeah, I was honestly a little iffy with this trade. That's why I got out early. Honestly, I would have held all my 6 contracts for probably this London high, but I was feeling a little iffy with why we had this freaking pullback, stupid ass pullback that stopped us out the first time, and got me a late fucking fill for my stop loss. So I was like, I'm just gonna flip it to green, just be happy with my profits, and that's it. Not be greedy. My answer shorts, dude. I mean, I don't think you see the buying, bro. I mean, we still have some room to go. I think we're gonna keep buying. If you really want to just gamble it, I would rather do long. That's just me, you do your own thing. How does the Apex PA work for a payout? Okay, so basically how Apex works, there's a lot of rules for the payouts. You want me to tell you all of them? Or at least the ones that are like most important? The important ones? Alright, so you need to have a balance of 52,600, so 52,600, and you can request $500. Or if you want to get the max payout, for your first 5 payouts, it's $2,000, and then after your 5th payout, you can request as much as you want. But to get a $2,000 payout, your balance needs to be 54-1 or higher. Okay, because Apex wants you to have at least $2,000 in drawdown before you request. Another thing is there's a 30% rule. So let's say, for example, one day you make $1,500, and then the other days you start only making like 400, 400, 400. Apex will not accept your payout because of the 30% rule. Let me see. I forgot how the math works on this. Let me see if I can pull it up for you here. 1,500. Is it? I think it's times. No. Hold on. 1,500 divided by 30. I think it is. No. Hold on. Times. I forgot how the math works. But it's basically like, if you make like $1,500, you're gonna have to get your balance up to like. This is just an example. I'm not giving you an exact estimate, but like to like 56,000, right? So you'd have to make a profit of like $6,000 before you could take out a payout. So Apex just wants you to be consistent with basically like how much money you're making in your trades. Like you can't just one day make $10,000, the next day make like 2,000, one day make 500. You know, like they want you to be consistent. So that's why they have the 30% rule. So for me, most of my trades, like the highest I'll make in a day is like $600, right? So I don't really break that rule because let's see, like $600 maybe one day, like today I'm $200, another day I'm like 400. If I like, you know, it's around the same ballpark, but it just can't be like a big fucking difference. You know what I mean? They just want you to be consistent, like if you were trading on a live account. Like they don't want you to be like, you know, just fucking balling it. So they have that rule, you know, the balance thing. It's another important rule. I mean, that's just, obviously no hedging. You know, you can't have two accounts, one longs, one short. I think they'll ban you for that. Don't quote me on that. But they will definitely deny your payout. I think you always have to have a stop loss. I'm pretty sure I remember reading that when I was reading the rules. Always make sure you put a stop loss on your trades. Obviously, if you forget, honestly, I forgot to put a stop loss in this trade. But if you forget to put your stop loss and like in one trade, they're not gonna really like bash you for it. What else? I think that's really it. You know, the 30% rule and, you know, just your balance being a certain amount. That's like the only. I mean, that's really. Oh yeah, the 8 trading days too. You need to have 8 trading days. A trading day counts as $50 or more made on the day. Okay, so obviously you're not gonna make fucking $50, but unless like, you know, you probably flip your loss to green and you sell early, but. Trading day counts as $50 on like Top Step, which I think Top Step changed it actually to $100 now, or $150. I don't remember. But a trading day is now $50 on Apex, or is $50 on Apex, and it's 8 trading days before you can request a payout. And I think that's really it. I mean, that's really the rules that you just gotta, you know, stick to. So yeah, I got you. Twinkie, did you answer that? Are you gonna answer anything, bro? I know you're fiending to just fucking blow your eval already. Pay out this month. Hey, God bless, bro. Hopefully you do. Have your trades been going good, Golinson? Yeah, today was pretty good. I took losses yesterday and Monday. But today's trades will make up for it on Monday. Yo, oh shit, you traded on President's Day. Yo, yeah, dude, Golinson. like the biggest advice, like I know it's the hardest thing in trading, bro, is not doing anything. All right, I'm gonna be honest. Like, you see something, but you know that you shouldn't take it. And Monday was one of those days. It's President's Day, so banks are closed. Any bank holiday, the markets will be closed. So just do not trade on bank holidays. That's like the best advice I could give you, honestly. Um, I lost yesterday. I mean, that's normal. You're obviously gonna get losses, but just always make sure on bank holidays. Like, I know how much it like, I know how much you want to get that trade and get closer to that payout. But like, trust me, bro. Like, just not trading on those days and not doing anything will get you closer to the payout than actually doing something. You know what I'm saying? So just like on holidays, just step back. Just enjoy the day off, and then you come back tomorrow. Learn the hard way. Hey, bro, that's you gotta take an L as a lesson, bro. You can't take it as a loss. So you just make sure you learn from it. That's the most important thing. Because if you do not learn from your losses, you're just gonna keep repeating them, and then it's not a lesson. You're just gonna keep taking those losses. So as long as you learn from it, that's really all you can do moving forward. Don't beat yourself too much over it. Don't beat yourself up too much, and just learn from that mistake. And next time there's a bank holiday, just don't trade. Enjoy your day off. Do whatever the fuck besides trading. Just get off the fucking charts. Yeah, that's why I made that. Well, I slept in on Monday too, because I wasn't trading. But I made that announcement on Monday morning about it being President's Day, so the markets are closed. But yeah, bro, just learn from it and move on. It's the best thing I can really tell you about that. Did you make most of your loss back from today at least? Honestly, would say longs was so free, but I got stopped out on the first entry, and then got that re-entry and made all of my loss back and made some green. So was free until this fucking pullback that we had here, but just took the re-entry off this big ass candle. Yeah, that's good, bro. I mean, as long as you made it all back, or even if you're still a little bit red, it's all right. You still got the rest of the week. We got Thursday and Friday. Let me see. Actually, I forgot to check the news. Hold on. Gonson, have you been using the website that I told you about for news? Forex Factory. It's very important. You use this, bro. Yeah, I use it every day. All right, good, bro. Good, good. Look, just gonna show my screen share. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So, Thursday we have unemployment at 8:30, so we don't really gotta worry about that. Pending home sales, which is orange folder at 10. So this will move the market just a little bit, but it's not gonna be like super impact news. It's an orange folder. Friday, 8:30. This is good. Some volume. And then PMI, we have a 945, which this will definitely move the market a bit, And then new home sales at 10, and also November data that when the government was shut down. It's coming out at 10 also with this home sales. So Friday, we have a lot of news. Looking forward to that. Looking forward to tomorrow also. There's always tomorrow, bro. So check ES if this next inverse at 82 is valid. I mean, yeah, ES is pumping with NQ. They're both following each other. Oh shit, we retraced back into the fair value gap and we're just pumping up. I didn't even realize. Yeah, we're pumping. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? But yeah, Forex Factory is definitely a necessity. Golanson, make sure you have these settings. So, take out the yellow and the gray folders and take off all the currencies besides USD. This is the only thing that matters. If you want to take a screenshot or, change it right now, I'm going to leave it up if you don't have these settings already. But these are the settings I would recommend for this website. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, Twinkie, if you're gonna take longs, just be careful with this fair value gap that we have above us at 113. Looks like one of those days that we're just gonna be pumping all day, to be honest. Let me change the thing back to my chart. Man, I hope Gianni was able to catch that re-entry. I wasn't even able to ask. He just left. But hopefully he caught that re-entry to make that loss back. I know sometimes he doesn't really enter the re-entries, so. Alright. Let me see. I've noticed something with Tradeovate too, guys. Like, whenever I put like a PT, for example, and like we just have like crazy volume, it never fills my PT. Like, it always does my PT exactly where I have my PT. But if I have a stop loss and we get some crazy ass volume, I get fucking crazy slippage, and it always fills me late for my stop loss. I feel like it's pretty fucked up. I'm not gonna lie. And my mouse just disconnected. Why did my mouse disconnect? Oh my gosh. There you go. Let me see if I can. Oh, I think my mouse is bugging now. I have to just leave it wired. Yeah, I need to buy a new mouse. This freaking G Pro is like falling apart. Bro. That's insane. What the hell did I just read? Alright guys, seems like the market might be slowing down a little bit. I mean, actually, the volume's okay. It's like 40 points, 49 points. We still have like 7k volume per candle. It's like alright. But, yeah. I'm gonna get off, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You know, we're gonna be live tomorrow and Friday, 9:30 a.m. Every market open. You know, so make sure you guys tune in the streams. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, guys.